Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I will be showing you guys how I revamped this wig into an asymmetrical bob. I did add some highlights just to prepare for summer. I wanted some lighter wigs. I am also in quarantine, so it gave me a lot of time to revamp some of my old wigs. So as far as coloring, I'm not a professional. I literally eyeball everything and I watch a whole bunch of videos on YouTube in order to get this done. So what I'll do is I will link some of the videos down in the description box below of YouTubers that do this amazing job at coloring to achieve this look. So this wig, I forgot where I get this wig from. I think it was Maxglam or Love Me Hair, one of them, but I'm going to double check and I will link it in the description box below. It was actually a body wave pattern. I don't remember. I will look it up and I will link it in the description box below for any of you that are interested. It does curl up, but I actually didn't. I make no use of any curly wigs because I end up curling them on my own or just straightening them. So for this one, it had a nice body wave. So as you guys can see, I'm starting from the back to color it, creating some highlights, and then I'm just gonna work my way to the top in order to achieve the look. So I'll definitely come back once I'm done bleaching and lifting the hair. Okay, so once I was done bleaching the hair, I left it in for about 20 minutes and then I rinsed it out with my Shimmer Lights shampoo. This is how it looked. It looked on the brassy side, so I definitely wanted to tone the hair. I'm using T35 and T18 to tone the hair, and if you guys are familiar with how to tone, you're doing a two-part ratio where you're using one bottle of the toner and then filling in the small bottle with 40 volume developer or whatever developer that you have. You're going to be filling the little bottle twice, and then you're just going to saturate the entire wig with that developer. Once it turns into like a purple color, that's when you know that it is toning the hair properly, and this is how it looks. So now what I did was, after I think I let it air dry. No, I actually blow dried the hair because I think I did this all in the same day. So I blow dried the hair and now I'm getting ready to cut it. I am no professional. I do this the way that I know best. So what I'm doing is trying to get to the correct track, and then I will just be cutting away. And then once I'm done with that, what I'll do is I will flatten, straighten the hair, and then I will install it. So I will be back. Alright, so I hope you guys like my little technique on how I cut this hair. It took a lot of snipping and, you know, getting it perfect. I had to actually put it on my head. I actually had to put it on my husband's head to make sure that it was straight in the back. So it took a lot of work, but I did it and it came out really nice. As you guys can see, my little assistant was there and he was helping me out, making sure that everything was straight. So now it is time to install it. So as far as installing the wig, I don't necessarily wear a wig cap underneath my wigs all the time. This particular time I did not because I ran out of wig caps, but I'm doing the normal, whereas I put the glue. I'm using Ghost Bond glue to apply my wigs, which is glue that I always use, and I'm just going to apply 3 layers of the glue and apply it. If you guys like the way that it looked without baby hair, that's fine too, but I like baby hair, so what I did was I applied the glue and I placed it in. This lace, I should say, I'm actually trying to go as fast as I can because my son is waking up from his nap, but this lace was very undetectable. It blended in really well with my skin. And yeah, I'll just let you guys enjoy the rest of this video. Thank you so much for continuously supporting me. I have not been on YouTube for quite some time, but during this time where I have a lot of free time, I will definitely be uploading some more content. So give me a thumbs up if you like this video, comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.